This tutorial will show you the best time to post online on TikTok social media platform completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. The first step to find the best time to upload on TikTok, you can even type that in directly on your search engine or search browser. And then once open up and loaded, as you can see, you have different options on Google, but I have used this in the past and I have found the best website is currently this one right here, where it says Influencer Marketing Hub. And basically this website right here will show you some of the best times to post and upload on Facebook, at least in EST or Eastern Standard Time. You basically have your Monday through Sunday, and these all are the best times to post. You can even scroll down on the website and you can see you can choose the channel where you'd want to post. In this case, we have TikTok. You can even choose the audience country and the audience city if you would like, and then click calculate. And as you scroll down, this website offers various tricks and basically tips and hacks on the best times. And for every different niches, you have the education niche, fitness and sports niche, and you kind of get the point, completely for free.